also sells food snacks.
Food snacks.
Partnering with
Mom.
Tessie.
Tessie, yes. And what do you do here? What is your role in this business?
She washes the dishes. She serves customers, and she also helps cooking the dishes. That is her role.
What impact has the loan had on you and your family?
Ano daw po yung naitulong ng loan? Was very good.
What plans do you have for the future of your business?
Ano po yung plano mo? Plano mong negosyo? Pero meron kang meriendahan na gusto mong magpatayo muna, saan yun? She wanted to have her own vending stall for food snacks and other varieties of products and stuff. That is her plan.
Is it okay if we see your business? Can we?
Meron ka lang bang, ano nga yan? No,
Dito mo muna siya.
Yeah. Okay.
Hinawa yan.
Open the... Oh, good food. Good food. Nice food. Delicious food.
This one.
Only. Nothing.
Yan, di balatong, nothing.
It's too good. It's all gone.
Very late. So, you're very late to come here.
We're too late. We're too late here. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Okay na?
Second na kami.
Okay.